Many of our plants are struggling to keep up with the drastic change in weather that we've experienced this year in Oklahoma. Heavy rains and moderate temperatures gave way to unrelenting heat, and many of our plants have suffered as a consequence. These strawberries show signs of heat damage. The leaves are burnt and shriveled around the edges. Some of the leaves have completely shriveled and died. Other signs of heat stress are wilting and plant death. Lack of moisture can intensify problems with heat stress because the plant cools itself through a process called evapotranspiration, which is the evaporation of water from the leaf surface. You can help plants compensate for water loss by keeping them well irrigated during long periods of hot weather or by mulching around the base of plants. You can also cover plants with a shade cloth. Most plants will recover well from heat damage. But if you have a plant that you think died from the heat, you might want to try leaving it in place. Let the dead foliage cover the center or crown of the plant, and before too long you might find that new shoots emerge.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.